You snuggling with Koala? Huh? Can you tell us a story? Huh? Yeah? Peek-a-moo! Peek-a-poo! I see you through there. I see you through there. Where's Fiona? Peek-a-Fiona! Peek-a-poo! Where are you going? Be careful over there. Yeah. You gonna read it again? Let's see. Pika. Can you say Dada? Yeah? What's that about? You snuggling? You got your bunny. Good job. Okay, wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Pika. Animals. Pika. Pika you. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, everybody. We're gonna go to bed now. Good night-night.